Alright, y'all, working on my old truck here. Had a few electrical issues. Thought I had a charging issue. I had the battery light come on and the alternator wasn't putting out from what I thought. Alternator wasn't but a couple years old. They gave me a new one and I was still having the same issue. Well, come to find out, I just wasn't getting enough charge from one side to the other. It was real slow starting. I had taken this end that was here and I re-crimped it, and then it was working right. So I know I had electrical connections, and after searching the internet, I didn't want to buy a bunch of new cables and upgraded cables. I didn't want to go with a bigger size. You know, OEM said this is good enough, so this is what I'm going to use. I just want a dependable starting truck. So I ordered these military style clips off of Amazon. A lot of comments about what size to use. I use this 2-aught for the grounds on both grounds. I used 8 for the ground going to there. This one here I drilled out. This one here I used a 2x3/8, which came with a kit for these. I was able to use the 2-aught for the one going down to the starter as well. And one thing I was worried about having enough room on that one. If you can see, I have ground out down here the tray. And when I ground it out, you got to leave a good bevel on it. And I moved my cable, that way I could move my cable from coming up this side to over this side, so everything would work out right. It's a possibility I could have turned it around and hooked it over here, but everything fits right and seems to be doing good. Just remember, if you do that, get all the burrs off of it, and there is a hard plastic sleeve that goes around that little protector there. You can't hardly see it down there, but make sure that's in there, and that was there to keep it from wearing on the battery tray. And then this side, I also use my 2-aught, which is this one. And then I use the 2 for here, and I drilled out for the 3/8 for there. Like I say, I think my wires are a little bit smaller than the 2. And I think the ground is a little bit smaller than the 2-aught. It's probably a 1-aught. And I just from crimping is what I'm guessing. But they did crimp good. I double crimped them around. Got a hydraulic crimper, and I was able to get everything crimped good and tight. There it is. She's good to go. Hopefully I won't have any more corrosion issues, and my batteries will last more than a couple of years because I'm drawing off of both of them. But anyway, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think.